Hello guys, so we are going to be starting our passive transport notes. So your page is going to be starting off for this picture over here on it. So first thing, you guys can see this picture. You have a solute and a solvent and a solution. Okay? These are words we're going to learn. Okay? A solute, okay? You're making something like sugar water. A solute is what gets dissolved in the water. Right? So in this example, in this picture, it's sugar. Okay? If you were making Kool-Aid, would it be Kool-Aid powder? Okay? A solution is a mixture of solute and a solvent. In this case, we're going to say it's water. It's a mixture of solute and water. So for this example, okay, it's going to be the Kool-Aid powder plus the water, which is equal to Kool-Aid drink. So, that is something you guys remember is solute plus water is equal to solution. So when we're talking about solutions, we're talking about when it dissolves. That can be dissolved. Okay. So solutions can have high concentrations over here and low concentrations over here. So you guys are probably really familiar with this already because you may have chocolate or Kool-Aid. The definition of a concentration is the amount of solute in a solution, or how much stuff is in a high concentration has more solids. So over here on our picture, you can see concentrated. This is a high concentration. If this was Kool-Aid, it would be very sweet Kool-Aid. Okay? If you were making a hot chocolate solution, it would be very chocolatey hot chocolate. On the other hand, a low concentration has less solids. It has less of the stuff that's being dissolved compared to water. Less solids. An example would be very watery Kool-Aid or very watery hot chocolate. That has a low concentration. You can see over here the word diluted. Okay, diluted means very watery. It has a low concentration. So, concentration gradient. Concentration gradient. You look over here in this picture. There's a high amount of molecules over here, and there's a low. Here you have 1, 2 molecules. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 8 molecules. You have more on the left side than the right side. And this is a concentration. Because concentration gradient is when you have different concentrations in one solution. So over here, you have more concentrations here and over here. So the definition is the difference in concentration from one place to another. So, for example, if you've ever had hot chocolate and it's more chocolatey at the bottom, less chocolate on top, that's a concentration gradient. You have more concentration at the bottom than the top. If you move down a concentration, your molecules, sometimes we say molecules move down. This means they move from high to low concentration. If they're moving up, what do you think it is? If they move from low to high. Okay? Equilibrium. 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 This is the word equal. Equilibrium. If you look at this picture over here, you have it on your page. You can see there's 5 molecules in this way and 5 molecules in this way. The molecules are evenly spread out. Okay? When I sprayed the perfume and the perfume you could smell it or everyone was smelling it the same amount, the molecules can move to equilibrium. So we're going to say when substances evenly spread out. So let's talk about these spraying perfume in glass. That use energy to spray it to get the people to go back to smell. No, it naturally like that way. It has to do it. It has to transfer it. It's when there's a movement of molecules from a high concentration. So when I sprayed the perfume, it started in a high concentrated around me in the front to a low concentration. So when I first sprayed it, okay, there was no one in the back of the cell. So the molecules moved there. So there's a low concentration of molecules back there. Okay? And this whole process uses no energy. I didn't have to push the molecules, they naturally spread that way. Okay? There's 3 types of process types. The first one you've already seen, and it's called diffusion. Okay? The second type is called osmosis. And the third type is facilitated diffusion. These are super important words to know. So make sure you highlight them or star them or box this area. It's super important. Diffusion. So here you see molecules moving from high concentration to low concentration. Okay, they're naturally spreading out. This is what diffusion is. The movement of the molecules from high to low. And usually there's a membrane. And a membrane is a cell membrane. So usually across a membrane. So usually here you might see one of the spots filled with a membrane. Okay, and the molecules can actually are small enough to pass through. And these can be any type of molecule. So this is that as long as they're clean. This is a cell membrane. Osmosis, okay, has to do with the same thing, but it's the diffusion of water. And this goes across the membrane too. So here you can see the blue things are water molecules, and they're moving through a membrane. Okay? So this involves typically water moving in and out of cells. That has to do with other cells. And it's gonna move from a high to a low concentration. So water molecules are the same like any other molecules, they like to be high to low. Now, sometimes you have molecules that are too big. I like to think about these as an elephant. You can see an elephant and it's going to break. Okay? Imagine there were like 10 other elephants in one room. Would they like this or no? They probably wouldn't. They'd want to get out. So can they fit through a normal door? No, you have to make the doors bigger. You have to maybe bulldoze with them. You need to help it. You need to help facilitate it. Or facilitate it. It's the movement from high to low with a protein. Okay, and this over here, this is a protein channel. Label it protein channel. Okay, so these actually help with molecules like the elephants that are too big to fit through the normal spaces. They're too big. They help them take enough space